pala ginanong ko yung gout ko kanina yan.
Ha?
No, ginanong ko yung gout ko kanina, no?
Kaya nga.
Kasi nahirapan ako. Ang sikip kasi.
Hindi ko tinawag mo yung sinasabi ko pa na bugali nila.
Kompleto pa ba yung mga abay?
Opo.
Sabay-sabay tayo guys, before anything else, mabuhay ang kasal in 3, 2, 1! Alright, mabuhay tayo ang batang kasal. Okay. Okay guys, please don't... Palakpakan na ba natin guys? May question daw, tatariba yung group. By the way guys, Kuya Lance at Kuya Sinus were contenders at Heptong Bata Ka at GMA 7 in Bulaga. One more shot, one more shot. Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile! Alright, thank you po. Pwede na po kayo pumila sa ating location. Okay guys, to know who's next? Gusto ko din yung gawin? Alagas mo yung music. Bluetooth siya, Bluetooth.
Nice one, Sid!
Wait naman, technical glitch lang. Wala. Alright. And sayo na po muna rin yung mga partners, please. Sayo na
Kahit
sa
saan maparating,
Nice one, Vlogger!
kahit anong mangyari, sa'yo pa rin uuwiin.
Okay. Okay, simulan natin guys. For the couple who has been together, married for 3 years, you may sit down now. For 3 years. 3 years lang, 3 years lang, 3 years.
Ilang beses na rin tayong umihindi,
For 3 years ba?
di na bilang ang dating mga tagpuan. Away ba't di natin
Ikot nyo naman, iikot nyo naman sa business. Okay, for those who has been married for 5 years, you may sit down na po. Ayan, thank you. Baga naman ito.
Babalik pa rin palaging ipiliin kong maging sa'yo.
Okay, once again, for the couple who has been married
Nais kong
for
malaman
15 years, you may sit down now. Wow, 15. Wow.
Balikan man ang hirap lumatahan. Ikaw ang paborito kong
I know na miss nyo ng ganitong moment. Para naman. Okay, so guys, ayan, stay na kayo dyan. So, syempre guys, hindi naman tayo matatapos nang hindi natin naririnig yung messages ng mahalagang tao sa kanilang buhay. And these people are personally chosen, or were personally chosen by our couple here nung nag-meeting kami. So, what's called keep it in your mind na mahalaga kayo sa ating couple here tonight. So first is, we have the parents of ladies, be ready. Ang mga kasalo nito magagamit yung life insurance. Ayan. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Ayan. Grabe naman po. Nakita ko Emerson! Emerson! Syempre, this time boys naman, lahat ng groomsmen dito sa likuran. Dito kayo boys, dito kayo sa likuran, lahat kayo. Lahat kayo maghahagis pa din yung ating boys. Lahat ng boys na single, pasok dito. Pasok, 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 pasok. Okay, this time naman sa ating groomsmen. Gusto mo ever ikaw mag-atipod ba ka? Okay, in 3. Jason daw. Jason, nag-ready mo si Mami. Nag-ready mo si Mami. At makiagaw ka lang dito, kuya. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! Tinagap na rin na. Maraming salamat po. Once again, guys. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ating supplier, J.A. Wedding Florist and Events, Hair and Makeup Artist, Leos Glam Hair and Makeup Services, Catering Services, J and Sky Catering Services. Sa ating reception, High Five Events placed by Upper View Apartel, Coordinators, Dream Future Events, thank you kay Ate Kate. And sa photographer, Brother Lester and Raven Bakay, sa Racing Table by Red Diausen.